point of intersection of horizontal and vertical lines determining the position of point in a Cartesian plane is called
origin. Origin.
Origin. Origin is the right answer. Question number 2 of puzzle round. If a coordinate of a point is 0, then the point lies on Salem again. Yes. Origin is wrong answer.
Y-axis.
Y-axis is the right answer. 20 points. If a triangle and a parallelogram are on the same base and between same parallels, then the ratio of the area of the triangle to the area of parallelogram will be. Yes. 1:2. Right answer. In which case all the medians of a triangle are equal. Only zero.
Equilateral triangle.
Equilateral triangle. Right answer. For two triangles, if two angles and the included side of one triangle are equal to two angles and the included side of another triangle, name the congruency rule. What is called the longest side in a right triangle? Xylem.
Hypotenuse.
Hypotenuse is the right answer. Question number 7. The linear equation 4x minus 10y equal to 14 has dash solution.
Infinite.
Many solutions. Right answer. The zero of polynomial p in bracket x equal to minus 9x plus 9 is what? The zero of the polynomial p in bracket x equal to minus 9x plus 9 is what? Yes.
18.
18. No, wrong answer. Minus 10. Answer is 1. In which quadrant the points -4 and -8 lies? Yes.
Third point.
Third. Right answer. What is the value of, in bracket, sin 45 degree plus cos 45 degree? Yes. 1 is wrong answer, -10. And no other has this. So I have to give the answer. Answer is √2. Answer is √2. Next question. If two different dice are rolled together, the probability of getting an even number on both dice is what? If two different dice are rolled together, the probability of getting an even number on both dice is what? 2, 4, 6. No, wrong answer. Minus a number selected at random from the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, dash, dot, 15 till 15 is a multiple of 4 is what? One by 3 is the wrong answer. 1 by 5 is the right answer. Okay, next question. A card selected from deck of 52 cards. The probability of its being red face card is what? Huh? 1 by 6 is the wrong answer. Narmada. 26 by 50. Wrong answer. P by 6. 26. Right answer. 26. When a dice is thrown, the probability of getting an odd number less than 3 is what? Question will not be. Okay. Narmada, they have this before the completion of question, so -10 to Karvili. Narmada?
1 by 6.
1 by 6 is the right answer. 26. One ticket is drawn at random from a big bag containing tickets numbered 1 to 40. The probability that the selected ticket has a number which is multiple of 5 is what? 8. 8 coordinate. 8 by 40. Right answer 8. Someone is asked to take a number from 1 to 100. The probability that it is a prime is what?
1 by 4.
1 by 4. Wrong, not wrong, right answer. We have two questions left only. If theta is the angle in degree of a sector of a circle of radius r. If theta is the angle in degree of sector of a circle of radius r, capital R, then area of the sector is what? Again zero. Yes. Pi r square theta by 360 is the right answer. Bronze medal, third place goes to Kaveri. Stand up, Kaveri. And sit down. Silver medal goes to Narmada. Kamya and Kami. And the winner is the gold medalist of the math quiz of Group B is Jhelam, Neeraj and Ankit. They did very well.